In today's video, we will know about what are HTML elements and attributes. So let's explain. HTML elements are the building blocks of web pages. They are defined by tags enclosed in angle bracket like P for paragraph or H1 for a top level heading. These elements dictate on how different part of content should be structured or formatted within a web page. Attributes, on the other hand, uh, provide additional information about HTML element. They are included inside the opening tag of an element and help modify its behavior or appearance. For example, in an anchor tag, a tag, href, https example.com link, the href attributes specifies the URL that the link point to. Attribute can change functionality of element by adding details like links, image source, or class names for styling. Thank you for watching this video.